Hello there! Welcome to this new video. It's Riccardo here from Blockchain Reply, and with me there are Alessio and Bruno from eFinance Reply. Together with other colleagues, we are part of the Titanium team, who each year creates the Reply Investment Challenge. This is part of the content that we are happy to provide you in order to give you all the elements you need to best participate and have fun in this new challenge. As you probably already know, this year's challenge is about cryptocurrency, which is of course a super interesting topic. So, if you are taking part in this challenge, this video is essential watching if you want to better understand how the challenge and how the platform works, and more importantly perhaps, even win it. But, if you're just interested in crypto or you want to learn more about blockchain, you are also in the right place. This year's challenge is sponsored by Yam Platform, founded in 2018 in Turin and is grown to become one of the main cryptocurrency exchanges in Italy. Yam Platform provides you with the key tool for this challenge, of course the trading platform, which you can use to practice trading in a secure and simulated environment. The first thing you need to know to join the challenge is how to log into the platform, and that's by clicking the wallet button on your challenge page. Once on the home page, you can trade cryptos in two different ways. The first one is by using the basic account, which allows you to trade cryptos using fake euros, and the second one is through Yam Platform Pro, which offers you a sophisticated, professional and advanced way to trade, including using analysis and drawing tools to make projections and plan your strategy. To go into more depth about these features, I'll hand you over to my colleague Bruno.
Thanks, Riccardo. Hi everyone, I'm Bruno, and I'm going to introduce you to the Yam Platform, a very simple and intuitive exchange for beginner traders, which allow you to sell, buy, and trade crypto using traditional currencies. So let's start by looking at the three main sections: Home, Market, and Wallet. At the top left, you can see the name of the account holder and the available balance. At the top right, you can see two icons: a bell, where you can find notification of any movements on your account, and a user icon that takes you to Settings, which include your personal details and preferences, such as languages, currency, and platform them, and lastly a logout option to log out of the platform. In the Home section, you can also view your favorite cryptocurrency selected from the Market section, a profit and loss chart based on pre-identified time horizons. You can also create a chart to monitor your hero balance and the amount you have converted into crypto. In the Home and Market section, there is always a box on the right where you can buy, sell. To buy, you need to choose the desired currency and indicate how many euro you want to buy of the specific currency. Once you have selected the euro amount, the platform displays the existing euro portfolio and the exchange of euro into the selected crypto. Then, simply click on the Purchase Preview to see a summary of your order and confirm it. To sell, you need to select how much crypto in your portfolio you want to sell to receive your euro. Then, you will see the Purchase Preview as with the buy operation. The Market section is divided into three. All Asset is where you can find all the assets available on the platform with info on their name, price, percentage change, and market capitalization. By clicking on the star icon to the left on an asset, you can add it to the Favorites section, which is visible on the Home tab and the second tab in the Market section. Click on an asset and you can view a graph with price variation over selected time horizon, as well as information on the volume and circulating supply. At the bottom, you will also find general information about the specific crypto selected. Favorites is where you can find assets you click at the star icon for. Lastly, Top Gainers show the best 10 performing cryptos in descending order over the last 24 hours. In this section, you can view the balance of your portfolio with the percentage allocation and the relevant balance in euro and for each individual currency. On the right, you can view all recent transactions on both the Yam Platform and Yam Platform Pro. Now, it's over to my colleague Alessio.
Thanks, Bruno. Hi there, I'm Alessio and I want to introduce you Yam Platform Pro, Yam Platform Advanced Trading Platform. Even though it's more sophisticated than the basic platform, it's been designed to be user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Just like Yam Platform Pro has three main sections: Market, My Order, which lists all your orders and the available amount in the wallet, Portfolio, which shows all the crypto that make up your wallet and the actual value. In addition, there's also the user menu similar to the basic platform. Now, let's focus on the platform market section. Click on this filter at the top left of the page to search for a cryptocurrency or use the available filter to find the one you're interested in. Once you have selected a cryptocurrency, the platform shows you the latest price, the price variation in the last 24 hours, the volume variation in the last 24 hours, and the highest and the lowest price of the cryptocurrency. Moving a little bit down in the page, you can see there's a graph that presents you various analysis functions. You can change the time frame, you can change the type of charts like bars, candlestick, you can add indicators, and you can also use the elements on the left of the graph to add elements that help you to analyzing the performance of the selected cryptocurrency. Plus, you can also display the volume chart per price range and visualize it at full screen mode. To the right of the graph, order book shows active open orders at the time of viewing. The top part of the book displays sell orders in red, while the bottom part displays buy orders in green, with their sell price, their corresponding quantities, and the total size of the order. The current price is also shown in the middle together with the spread, which represents the difference between supply and demand. Now, let's move to the right-hand menu, where according to the selected market and currency, you can view your selected cryptocurrency balance. The buy and sell section under the order form gives you three options. Market, here you can enter the amount you want to buy or sell, and the platform automatically executes the order. Note, you have no control over the price you buy or sell at. Limit, a limit order allows you only to buy or sell cryptocurrency when it reaches a specific price set by you. Once set, the limit order remains pending and only activates when the cryptocurrency price reaches the limit. If you're buying, you can set a limit order if you think the cryptocurrency price may drop below the current price. This will limit any losses. If you're selling, you can set a limit order if you think the cryptocurrency price may increase to make a larger profit. After setting the price and the quantity to buy or sell, you can also choose the time in force from the advanced drop-down menu. Stop. You can choose between stop market that requires you to set an amount and a stop price. When the stop price is reached, the order activates automatically as market order. Stop limit that requires you to choose between two different prices, the stop price and the limit price. The stop price is the price the currency must reach to activate the order. The limit price is the maximum price you are willing to pay to buy the cryptocurrency. Going back to the left side of the page, there are the two last sections. My order that display the orders you have placed in the exchange, divided into open and filled orders. Trade history that provides you the history of the order executed by the exchange, including the information on price, amount, and time. Phew, that's a lot to take in. Now it's back to Riccardo.
Thanks, Alessio. Okay, that's all for this video. There's a lot to take in there, but we really hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you have any questions or feedback, please email challenges@replies.com, and if you haven't done it yet, make sure to register for the Reply Investment Challenge 2023.